Detroit versus Jamie Livingston, case number Z8093581. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Ms. Jamie Livingston, who is present via Zoom. Ms. Livingston, can you please state your name for the record?
Jamie Livingston.
Livingston, thank you.
All right, good morning, ma'am. The day is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to discuss this matter with the city attorney. There has been an offer made that if my client were to plead guilty to the lesser driving while intoxicated, the high BAC count would be dismissed. My client has been advised of her trial rights. She's indicated she wishes to accept the offer.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Payne went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, I don't have a file in front of me, Ms. Payne, for this. I don't know what the BAC level was.
I think it was a .17.
It was, the PBT was .171 and the CBT was .201.
Okay, let's go draw your attention back to August 22nd, 2024, around 7:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River, 1510 Grand River. Were you in that area around that date and time operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And did you have prior or during the operation of that motor vehicle, did you have some alcoholic beverage, liquor?
You said, did I have any or did I have any in the car?
Well, did you, well, wherever, before or during the
I didn't. Yes, I had a couple shots, but I didn't have any in the car.
Right. Now, during the operation, the couple of shots, how many shots did you have?
I literally had a couple.
Literally had a couple?
Yes.
What does that mean?
A couple, as in like two. I had literally like 2 shots. I don't drink normally, but I did have a couple shots.
That's all that you had?
Yeah. I literally had 2 shots. Because I did have a girl that was with me as well. But it so happened that I ended up dropping her off before, so.
I don't know what that has anything to do with.
No, I was just telling you. It didn't have to pertain to anything. Okay,
so I don't see how 2 shots, unless they're 2 super tall shots, I mean, triple or quadruple shots, gets you to a .21. That's almost 3 times the legal limit. Ms. Payne, have you talked to your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, what's going on?
Your Honor, I think quite possibly that my client is unaware of exactly how many, and that's
not aware of anything.
She says she's aware.
Is aware. Okay. Could we just stipulate the CBT, Your Honor?
Pardon me?
Could she just stipulate to the chemical breath test results, and she has admitted that she did consume alcohol prior to driving her motor vehicle, and I believe she will also stipulate to the fact that she was intoxicated when she was driving. Am I correct, Ms. Livingston?
Yeah.
So you're saying that alcohol did impair your ability to drive this motor vehicle?
Yeah, I don't drink on a daily basis.
No, listen. So here's the deal.
I'm just not understanding.
I'm just gonna break it down to you.
Okay.
All right. You have a very, very high BAC level here.
Mm-hmm.
I understand you don't. I understand you don't drink on a daily basis or anything, and
Okay.
I think I don't know whether tolerance would go to alcoholic content level in your body. I think the alcoholic content level in your body is just what it is. It's just that you consumed X amount of alcohol over this period of time, and then it metabolized through your system, and it gave you this number. So basically, I drank 2 shots, and 2 shots, if we're, depending on the size of the shots, 2 shots, if they're just regular shots, it would give you this level of BAC on it. Your level is almost 3 times the level. So that tells me that you either had more than 2 shots, or these 2 shots were like huge, huge, huge shots. So what is it?
Your Honor, I literally had 2 shots. Like, I don't want to sit here and lie or make it seem like I drunk more. I mean, of course, on y'all end, of course, it shows that I drunk extremely high, but from what I remember, I only drunk 2 shots.
I just don't know what kind of shots she did. Where'd you get them shots from? I think everybody wants a shot like that.
They can get it from the liquor store. It's a bottle.
Oh, so you had a bottle of liquor that you took the shots from? You didn't.
It was a bottle of liquor that we had, and we was poured in a cup. Yes.
Oh. See, that makes a little more sense, because a shot to you might be different than a shot. All right. So you'll stipulate to the face of the ticket. You'll stipulate to the 2.1 BAC level. Is that correct? On behalf of your client.
0.20, but yes, Your Honor, 0.2.
Oh, was there an accident involved here or anything?
No, Your Honor. I believe there was a traffic violation, and there was a report of another following, but in the reports or that there was any damage to any other car.
Say that again. A traffic violation and what?
And there was another motor vehicle that stopped the police officer and claimed that the vehicle had been touched by my client's car, but there was nothing in the police report I could see that there was damage to another car.
Okay, so there was an accident involved.
Possibly, yes.
All right. Did you hit another car, ma'am?
No, my car wasn't messed up when I had got it out of impound.
I didn't ask you that. I didn't ask you that.
No.
You're saying you did not hit another car?
No. Wasn't nothing wrong with my car.
That doesn't mean you didn't hit another car. All right. All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of operating while intoxicated. I'm gonna refer this matter to probation for a pre-sentence report. I need a good phone number from you. I'm gonna set a sentencing date for December the 5th, 2025. Okay. You're gonna, have you been testing?
No. He was not recording.
I'm gonna have her start testing this week. I need a test 1 time per week.
Okay. Am I calling that number to schedule it?
Well, they're gonna set you up from probation, so they should call you. You shouldn't have to call them, but I want you to be on top of it. If you don't hear from them, I want you to either get back to with the court or get with probation to see what's going on. They should call you though to schedule the testing. I want you to test no leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission. And no drinking during the pendency of this case, all right?
Okay.
So I need a test this week. And I need to test every week thereafter until December the 5th. And then you have to submit to a pre-sentence investigation report. They're gonna call you for that as well. It should all be done. What is that? That's gonna be a background. Give me some history on who Miss Livingston is.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
And so I can give you, so I can have that information when the census is handed down. So your next court date is December the 5th, 2024 at 10 a.m. All right, and if you don't have anything further, you have Ms. Payne is there. She can assist you if you don't get in contact with probation. Doesn't get in contact with you, and we're here during the week if you need
yes,
us.
Your Honor, that's what I was asking. The number that you gave me, is that's the probation that's supposed to be calling me?
That's the probation that's supposed to be calling you. Yes.
Okay, and you said December 5th at what time? I'm sorry.
At 10 a.m.
Okay.
That's Zoom or in person?
That's it's Zoom. That's Zoom.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good day. And Ms. Payne, I'll see you next time. Have a good day.
So.
You too, everyone. Bye.